What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, just the car discussion and reaction channel on YouTube. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks a million for clicking on the video. On today's episode we'll be covering DDE, Savage Garage, Strideman and a few others, so all big hitters. So we've got a bit of a action-packed video for you guys today. And anybody that's recently subscribed, Jesus Christ guys, holy shit, you have fucking smashed the subscribe button. Like, you smashed that so hard, it's like you smashed your favourite porn star on Viagra. That's how fucking crazy it is. Like, I can't get over, like, I literally woke up and I was like, whoa, where did all these subs come out of? Thank you a million, guys. Hopefully we can get over the 1500 mark, and yeah, just it's unbelievable that you're showing so much support on the channel. So we're just gonna keep going on, and any videos you want me to cover, guys, or anything you want me to check out, or any news or stuff, just at the end of the video is my Instagram, so you can, you know, if you want to DM me on Instagram, send me stuff, my DMs are always open. Yeah, so I'd say that to you as well. And yeah, today's episode, we're going to kick it off with DDE. DDE basically have gone out looking for a new supercar for his daughter Mia, who's 19 years of age. And because the insurance, she's not actually legally insured on the Gallardo, so they had to find a certain category of supercar that she can get insured in. And yeah, her picks are pretty fucking insane. I mean, wow, what an insane pick. So my question to you guys in the comments below, what supercar should they get me out? The Ferrari 360, the gated, and Corvette C8, and then there's the Lamborghini Diablo as well. For me, straight off the bat, it has to be the Diablo. As much as the gated 360 looks pretty sweet, for me, Diablo all day long. Now, don't get me wrong, the C8 would be pretty sick as well, but just what an unbelievable car the Diablo is. Now, I'm the 99 Diablo with the headlights that were in the 300ZX, but don't get me wrong, this Diablo is gorgeous. Just imagine being 19, able to pull up to your job in this kind of a car. It is unbelievable. I hope they go with the Diablo. I want to hear your thoughts on things below, guys. What you think they should do, which one should they go for? Because I do bring up a comments every Sunday as well. And also, one or two people have asked me to address the whole Life Apollos not covering DDE anymore. I haven't seen him cover them anymore. I wonder, I said Damon basically said to him, look, don't cover us anymore. We don't want to be a part of Life Apollos anymore. I have seen Aaron's views are steadily they've really been hovering around the 40-50,000 mark, maybe 65,000. But if you're a DDE fan, do you still watch Life Apollos? You know, or what's your take on the whole thing? Because it looks like DDE and Life Apollos are finished, and Aaron isn't going to be covering them anymore. We will be covering them on this channel though, guys, so if you want to, you know, stay around, stick with me, I will cover them, and anything you want me to bring up for DDE, let me know as well. But yeah, guys, look, it is what it is. Not much I can do about it. I don't really give a shit either way. It's that's between them. And look, that's what's just happened. So moving on, we're going to bring up next is Savage Garage. Randy is off buying another hypercar as he usually does. And this time it looks like he's going for the Holy Trinity, guys. I'm pretty sure he is. He's after buying a McLaren P1. One of my favorite cars out there. It's definitely in my top 5. You know, just everything about it is gorgeous. I mean, it's just such a perfect looking car. Probably one of my favorite rear ends and exhaust systems, my most favorite wing in the entire world as well. Hopefully he'll do a few bits and pieces to it, but the guy already said this thing is maxed out to the last. And yeah, as I said, he seems to be looking at the LaFerrari as well, so I'm presuming he is going for the Holy Trinity, which I wouldn't be surprised if he did. But for me, guys, out of the three of them, I know the LaFerrari is unbelievable, don't get me wrong, but I would have the P1 over a 918 and a LaFerrari. That is just me. I am a bit of a McLaren fanboy, but if I had the money, yeah, P1 would be mine. Let me know what you think, guys, about Randy. He just seems to be crushing it lately with the cars that he's buying. Do you think he's going to complete the Holy Trinity, and what do you think of him purchasing the P1? Yeah, I just think it's pretty sick, and fair dues and congratulations, and cannot wait to see what content he makes with this epic fucking car. Next up is going to be Strideman. He has basically released him showing that his pink Lamborghini Aventador white arch limited kit is, you know, absolute nutty, crazy looking, whatever you want to call it. I mean, the colour is pretty dope. It is dope, and it is a bit kind of, I don't know, it's a hard one. Because we don't have the wheels on it yet, and every other car with bits and pieces, I can't really judge. I know a few people have already said to me before in the comments below that they're not happy with the colour choice, but he did say he was going for like a rainbow of colours. As I see completed, I can see where he's coming from with the way the paint is. It is pretty nice, but I'm not going to give full judgment yet until he has the wheels on it and until he has the carbon bits on it as well. So I'm going to hold off. But so far, I'm impressed. It's a good looking car, nice colour. But would I rock it? No, I wouldn't. That wouldn't be for me. But yeah, fair dues Strideman. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of Strideman's pink Lamborghini Aventador. Be interesting. He said, oh yeah, he's not selling it. He said this is going to be kept in his garage. As we all know as well, his massive, gigantic house is being built, and it's going to have an underground, you know, back cave and everything. So that's pretty dope as well to see. Cannot wait to see that finished. 12-car garage, I think, or is it 19? I can't remember, but yeah, looking forward to seeing that getting finished as well. Next up is going to be Novitech, guys. Novitech, if you haven't seen this channel, I highly recommend go over and subscribe. They're nearly 100,000 subscribers. They have their Supercar diaries, and this one is the Ferrari SF90. This one they have here is standard. No Novitech bits in it at all. It's bog standard, and I absolutely love it. It's such a sick car. These Supercar diaries that these guys do are unbelievable. I really love watching them. They really give you an in-depth into the car, specs and stuff like that. Just you know, the filmography is unbelievable as well. So here is a quick clip for you guys.
0 to 100, 2.5 seconds. 200, 6.7. Top speed, 340.
Wow, the speed is insane.
I feel that it's a little bit longer than the F8, but I can't say for sure. It's mostly because of the elongated nose.
There you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you watch Novitech's Supercar Diaries. What do you think of the SF90? Would you buy it if you had the money? I did say in previous videos, my favourite Ferraris at the moment are a 488 Pista, SF90 and a LaFerrari. They'd be my three if I could buy, if I was pretty rich, I'd be having them in my garage. I just love the SF90. It's so good looking, such a gorgeous car, not too gone on the wheels. He did say a Novitech build is coming, so I'd say they're going to make it even look better. I know it's a hybrid, and the thing is ultra quick. I think they said 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Crazy stats. I think it's 1001 brake horsepower as well. But my God, what a piece of machinery! Like, I actually love it. It'll definitely be in, you know, definitely the top of my list of Ferraris if I had the money to buy one. And it's not limited production either, so it's as long as people have the money. Please God, I win the lotto. I would definitely buy one. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of the SF90. It'd be nice to hear your thoughts and opinions. And last up, guys, is going to be Throttle. They've continued on their Eclipse build. They've now gotten the wide arch body kit for it. I'm really interested in this build and how it comes out. I didn't even expect them to go wide arch on the Eclipse either. It's just really cool seeing them tearing it down, cutting it, and doing their bits and pieces. I can't wait to see this thing go into paint and see how it comes out. I just really like these. These are the kind of builds I love, just completely transforming the car with a body kit. Really excited that they've gone wide body, if they're going to do any more engine mods to it, what colour they're going to go, what wheels they pick, an exhaust system, and how is it going to sound. Just really liking this build. If you haven't seen it, guys, and you're into these kind of builds, I highly recommend go check it out. Let me know what you think of Throttle's channel and some of the builds that they do. I'm very specific about which ones they do. This one I'm really interested in, but yeah, some others I wouldn't be, like Subarus and stuff like that. I'd have no interest. But this one, I can't wait to see it fucking done. It's gonna look sick, I think, when they get it finished. and I'm really excited to see what way it comes out. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you again for a million if you have subscribed. It just means such a lot for such a small channel. All the regular people that comment, Jesus Christ, you've been fucking killing it. Again guys, I will keep you updated on the project car situation. I'm putting away money as best I can. I'm trying to sell 1 or 2 things to put into my credit union to build up the funds. So I'm hopefully going to have an update for you in the next week or 2. If anybody's looking for a brand new Lenovo ThinkPad L14 laptop, brand new, I have one for sale for around 650, 700. They're worth 1,000. So let me know if you want one. Message me on Instagram. And yeah guys, that is it for today. So until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.